In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add users to teams and set up a management hierarchy in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know how to organize your team, streamline collaboration, and ensure everyone's roles are crystal clear. Whether you need to keep your department structured or just want to help your organization scale smoothly, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First up, we're going to add users to teams. In HubSpot, this is a great way to keep people grouped by department, region, or any structure that makes sense for you. So start by navigating to settings. Just click the little gear icon, usually found at the top right of your HubSpot dashboard. This is your launchpad for any organizational changes. Once you're in settings, look over to the left sidebar and find Users and Teams. This section is all about managing the people in your HubSpot account and how they interact with your workspace. Now, click on the Teams tab right up at the top. You should see a list of your current teams. Or if you're just starting out, it might be blank. Here's where you'll create a new team. Click the Create Team button. Go ahead and enter a descriptive name for your team. Think about something that's instantly recognizable, like Sales West Coast or Marketing Ops. The name you choose will help everyone identify where they belong, so don't rush through this part. Now, if you've got HubSpot Enterprise, you have a really useful feature, Management Hierarchy. You'll see an option labeled, Put this team under another team. This lets you nest your new team beneath a parent team, kind of like folders in your computer. It keeps things organized, especially as your company grows. Select the parent team from the drop-down if you want your new team to report into another group. For example, maybe your graphic design team falls under marketing. Next, it's time to add users to your team. Find the Team Members drop-down. When you click it, you'll get a list of all users in your HubSpot account. Just select the folks who should be part of this team. Don't worry if you don't see someone. They'll need to be added to your HubSpot users list first. Once you've picked your team members, hit Save to create and lock in your new team. That's it. Your team structure is set, but let's take it a step further. To create a management hierarchy, navigate back to Settings and Users and Teams. This time, click on the name of the specific user you want to put into the hierarchy. Maybe it's a new manager or team lead. Up at the top, look for the Setup tab, and within there you'll find the Management Hierarchy section. This is where you define who manages whom, making responsibilities and reporting lines clear. Select a manager for this user. Just choose from your list of users. If you want to get really granular, you can add up to 20 users who will report directly to this manager just by selecting their names from the list. It's a good idea to pause for a moment and double-check your selections just to make sure everyone's in the right spot. A clean hierarchy saves headaches later. Finally, click Save to confirm your changes. It might take a few seconds for HubSpot to update everything, but once it's done, you'll have a clear, organized team structure and reporting system. And that's it. You've now got a solid foundation for team and management structure in HubSpot. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Got questions about team setup or something didn't go as planned? Drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.